In today's video, I'm going to teach you a fast way to select data in a table using Microsoft Excel. We'll dive right into the method with a sample table that I've prepared for you. To get started, click on any cell near the top left corner of your table. It doesn't have to be a specific cell, just aim for a spot that's close to where the table begins. Now notice what happens when you hover your cursor near the edge of that cell. Whether it's the top, bottom, left, or right edge, your cursor will change into a four-way arrow icon. This feature is your gateway to quickly selecting rows and columns with ease. If you're looking to select an entire row in your table, the process is quite simple. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and double-click on the right edge of the selected cell. This action will cause Excel to highlight all the cells in that particular row, and it stops only when it encounters an empty cell, so you can quickly gather all the data from that row without having to scroll endlessly. Similarly, if you need to select an entire column, you'll repeat a similar action, but with a small twist. Again, holding down the Shift key, you'll now want to double-click on the bottom edge of the cell. This will extend your selection downward, capturing all the data in the column until it reaches a blank cell. It's an incredibly efficient way to grab data without manual dragging, especially when dealing with long lists. Now let's say you want to highlight the entire data table in one go. You can achieve this by once again holding down the Shift key. Click on the top left cell of your data range and then click on the bottom right cell. Excel will automatically select everything in between those 2 points, giving you a comprehensive selection of your data table. At this point, you might be wondering why not just use the click and drag method. Well, the benefit of the approach we're reviewing today is speed, particularly when you're working with large data sets. The traditional method of manually dragging your mouse across the screen can be a hassle and time-consuming. But with the techniques I've shown you today, you can instantly select hundreds or even thousands of cells, making your work in Excel not just easier, but much faster. And there you have it, a quick and efficient method to select data in Microsoft Excel tables. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and you're now ready to tackle even the largest data sets with ease. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep excelling in your work.